What's up? Cha-cha-cha. If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Store. Today, we're going to the market. It's not bikes and breakfast, it's 4 p.m. on the weekend. But we're going, brother. And if you like my videos, so you give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, appreciate you. Appreciate you, appreciating me, appreciate you. Appreciation all around. Appreciation all around. Bunch of us here. It's funny because it's all like Honda VTXs and a Honda Rebel 1100, and then, you know, me with the old big Sheila here. Say hi, Sheila. I never knew there was a hotel here. I'm not really too sure where here is. Somewhere between Nyack and New City. Rockland State Park. I didn't even know that was a motel. Putting this Vance and Hines on here, man, what a great muffler. You can't beat the price. I was watching Holy Shift's video where he got a new Honda Africa Twin, and I'm sure I'm going to screw up the name of this, Apocryphic exhaust on it. Holy God, does that thing sound mean. I was like, if I ever swap the muffler on this boy and I get that one, it sounds so mean. I was like, what the hell? I don't know if we said it, but I'm on the lovely 9W here. Just passed 1,200 miles on this. I love this bike, man. I liked my Lowrider ST. I really liked my Heritage Softail. That's a very underrated bike. It is a lot of fun, and you get the light bar, and you get the best stock seat they make, Harley. This is number 2. This seat, I have the lower one, but the stock Pan America seat is comfortable. So yeah, I love this bike, and I loved my 22 Electra Glide. I just could not get a handlebar seat combo, and I can't be wide-armed, pressed up against the fairing. I'm short. Like, it's not comfortable. This is comfortable. This is the A1 2-up 1 back riser. It's awesome. It is. I have to get some mirrors at some point. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If you have any doubts whether this is a fun bike, look at all my videos where I'm laughing. I'm like, oh, I love this bike. It is fantastic. This is a great motorcycle. And the fact that Harley Davidson made it, oh, you know, they can only make baggers. Dude, people better start praying Harley doesn't come for other markets, because I really wish they would have made the Bronx. I honestly think that bike, they wouldn't be able to keep it in dealer showrooms. But the Pan America ST seems to be very well received. I like this version better. I do. I like the option that, oh, I see a dirt road, I'm gonna go down it. And that's not to say you can't do that with any motorcycle, but it's just I like this with the adjustable windshield and the steering stabilizer. I haven't ridden the Pan America ST, and I don't know if I'm gonna, because I'm afraid. You know how it works, right? You go into the dealership and you're like, oh, I'm just gonna sit on it. And then come out and they're like, how's this absurd APR sound on a loan that you're gonna have to take a long time to pay it off, but if you add $50 a month, you pay it off quicker and it hurts less in the can. I honestly, the enjoyment motorcycling brings me, I don't really care. And I'm not saying it's right, but you know, cancer, I had my motorcycle. COVID, I had a motorcycle. Like, depression, and everybody gets depressed. I had my motorcycle. Like, it's amazing how much joy this brings you. And if you don't ride, go take the course, learn how to ride a bike, or go for a ride with somebody that has one. See the world as it's meant to be seen and experienced, not as some mundane task that you're transporting yourself to and from. In the winter, when it's like 40s, I'll get on my motorcycle, I'll ride down and get libations or medication, and it's only like a mile each way, but that 10 minutes of joy is worth it. Oh, what's up? What is this bike? Well, sir, I bid you good day. Mr. I can't wave back, sir. Good day, sir. And we're back. We're moving. And for the second or third time today, I almost pulled away with my gloves on the back seat and lost them. Now I forgot to put my phone on, and it's in my pocket. Oh well. Oh well. Dude here stopped and waited for me because I was putting my gloves on. Appreciate you, pal. These flat levers. Rudy's. I was like, oh good, a red light, I could put my phone up. Nope. Denied. Unity. Probably about 5-10 minutes away from the market. Now, you guys ever been in the market? It's a really cool place. But be prepared, it is a vast sea of spandex Spartans ready to 10 speed at any moment. Oh yeah! The code of the spandex Spartan is not one to be taken lightly. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go around and yep, I'm not doing that. I would have been the one. I know where we're going. I'm not in that much of a hurry that I'm gonna risk getting hurt. And I'm not one of those people that are gonna punch off car mirrors and stuff, because look, if they retaliate against me, I'm on a motorcycle, they're in a car, the car is gonna win every time. Every time. not worth it, man. Just let it go. Unless they hurt you, then you handle that situation the way you see fit. But we're almost there. Look at all these hooked up cars, man. That Supra was nice. It's only a matter of time. Spandex Spartan. Yeah, if you like my videos, make sure you leave a comment or give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Oh, there's a cop sitting there doing radar. Sneaky, sneaky! Or it could be somebody hiking. Hikey, hikey! We put on directional so this friggin' asshole behind us doesn't rear end us. Wow, there's a lot of bikes here. And a muscle truck. How about that? The hell is that thing? It's a Turd Smuggler 5000. Smuggle more turds. Or if the parking lot Nazi's gonna come out and start screaming. Yeah, they can't park here!
I have a story time.
So I started going over like, all right, we need engine bars, all right. Then I started getting into the whole cost of it, and he starts going 1,000 years old. All we want to do is get 1,000. And I'm like, 1,000 is going to be man, it's not going to be paid. Like, what are you going to give me a top of that? It's like, oh, we can't get it going. Nobody inside is using it. So I was like, I'll come over here on one. I got the thing going.
Yeah, we just left the market. You come here any weekend day or weekday, there's always going to be people hanging out on bikes, and it's a cool place, man. It is. You can get food, incredible food. Just saw Adrian from Torque Custom Cycles in Hackensack there with badass Triumph. To get some more lighting on this. Big Sheila. She likes to balk. Freaking so stupid. Oh. Whoa, fella. You coming over here with your VTX? Somebody wants a fresh one, Yanni. Surrounded by VTXs. Sir? Oh, don't you hate it when that happens? At least they were good about it. Just didn't force their way in. That's alright, we'll catch up in a little bit. Lack of power is not an issue for this bike.
Oh yeah!
Made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Friday, 3 p.m., 4 p.m.-ish. Depends on when I can get to the app and what's going on at work. I appreciate you, every single person that tunes in and watches my videos. Thank you to the ones that give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. Take care, guys. I'll catch you out there.